How to install VirtualBox. So there are a couple of ways by which you can install the VirtualBox, but we will keep it very simple and I'll show you how we can install. So let's open google.com and you can just write VirtualBox here. And the first page it will open as Oracle VirtualBox. So you have to just click on it. And these are the things which is little bit the recent release they are talking about. They're talking about their community, how you can join it and how you can contribute, right? But you have to go directly on this download option. From here, you can see the platforms here. The latest VirtualBox is 7.2.4. Okay. Now, it is asking what kind of platform you have, what kind of OS you have. So I do have the Windows one. If you do have the macOS, you can go with macOS. So I'm going with Windows host. I'm going to click on it and it will start downloading. Okay. Now, VirtualBox extension pack you can see here in the right side. Okay. Now, why we require this extension pack? So if you just have to simply use VirtualBox, okay, in a simple way, then you can directly install VirtualBox. But if you need some extension type, like you need some flash, you need some drive, you need some external drive basically. So for that we do have this VirtualBox extension pack, and I do recommend to install it as well. So I'll click on this accept and download. This is also going to download within a couple of seconds. Now we will go in VirtualBox here in this folder, the main one, and we are going to install it. Okay. So click on yes. Next. I accept the license and agreement. Next. Warning. Okay, this is some warning they are giving to us. Not issue. Let's click on yes. Missing dependencies. Next. And install. So once this VirtualBox will be installed, we'll try to install the extension. Okay. Now this is our VirtualBox, right? So let me go in the Oracle Virtual Machines, this extension pack. I've just clicked on it. Now click on install and go here. I agree. And that's it. It has been installed, right? So that's the only thing you have to do. That's the whole process, that how you install the virtual machine with the extension pack of VirtualBox.